first stepped into the P3 English High Achiever class at MindStretcher, I didn't realize at that time how much that class will have such a great impact on me. That class, filled with laughter and the fun memories I have with my fellow friends and the warm smiles from my dearest teachers that seem to light up the room, will forever have a special place in my heart. I am Jia Tong from Nanyang Girls High School. We, as secondary school students, have finally reached one of our first major milestones, graduating from primary school. I would like to congratulate all my fellow prize awardees for putting in their best effort in PSLE, and I hope all of us will continue to improve and shine even brighter. To begin, I would like to start by sharing about myself. I was previously a student from Horizon Primary School and attended MindStretcher at a nearby mall. My first MindStretcher class, back in Primary 3, was really an eye-opening experience. Both my parents are from China, so we rarely conversed in English back at home. I remember that my English grades in Primary 1 and Primary 2 were quite undesirable. Hence, that was why I enrolled in MindStretcher, in the hope of improving my English. I recall not being able to understand half the words and vocabulary on the worksheets that day. Luckily, my teacher was kind and patient, offering to explain to me what each and every one of them meant. That really moved me and even brought me close to tears. I was very touched by the teacher's actions and promised myself I will work hard. Many useful phrases and mind-stretching vocabulary were taught to me during the span of 3 years by all my MindStretcher teachers. All these helped me to further strengthen my foundation in English and really boosted my confidence, not only in writing, but also in oral communication. I joined the MindStretcher Maths and Science classes in Primary 5, and these classes exposed me to a wider range of problem-solving skills that are usually not taught in schools. These skills helped me greatly, especially in answering open-ended questions in science and some of the more difficult sums in maths. During the PSLE period, I eagerly enrolled in all the MindStretcher e-webinars, bootcamps, workshops. These were conducted by MindStretcher specifically to impart important tips to all of us on how to prepare for all the various PSLE subjects, study effectively, DSA, secondary school selection, and many others. These webinars really helped me a lot as they contained useful and informative information which allowed me to have a deeper understanding of the subjects tested and the general education landscape. I also revised all my MindStretcher notes and materials. They ranged widely from extensive vocabulary lists to good answering techniques. You name it, they have it. I am forever grateful for all the lessons and resources that MindStretcher has provided us. Though I encountered many difficulties along the way leading up to PSLE, I still persevered through thick and thin, and with the support of my parents and the encouragement from my teachers, I managed to overcome these problems. As the saying goes, if you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. If you teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. I would like to thank all my teachers for equipping me with all these skills and problem-solving techniques. Thank you, Miss Mavis, for always making your lessons such a fun learning experience for us. I greatly enjoyed learning and improving on my composition skills with you. Thank you, Madam Sue, for being such a kind and caring teacher, always making sure that we are coping well and understanding what is going on in lesson. Thank you, Mr. Kelvin, for helping me understand the scientific concepts and helping me venture into the wonders of science. Lastly, thank you to Mr. Jason Ng for explaining complicated maths concepts to me. As Samuel Beckett once said, ever tried, ever failed. No matter, try again, fail better. We should always keep trying, even if we fail, and view failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Each failure brings us closer to success, as long as we learn from our mistakes and keep trying. After all, success is often the result of perseverance and determination in the face of adversity. To all my juniors and those currently in Sec 1, always believe in yourself, even when times are tough. You can do it. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak, and thank you for everything that you have done, not only me, but all the pupils of MindStretcher. Thank you so much, MindStretcher.